Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Welcome back. And so just recently I dropped my mobile phone, which is really annoying. I cracked the screen and it's a Galaxy A22. And I thought, you know what, I might just change the screen myself. So I went online and I purchased a new screen, which comes with a kit. And I thought I'll just show you how I do it, and I'll do it by time lapse.
Hi, Dad.
Hey Marion, the phone works.
That's great.
Woohoo!